Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel, and I hope all of you are doing great and fantastic. So today I am telling you about my daily routine. So let's start the video. So I start my daily routine with Fajr prayer. So after completing my Fajr prayer, I take very light breakfast, which is very simple and very light. So I take it and then I get to bed and sleep again for 1 or 2 hours. And after completing my sleep, I freshed up myself and prepare myself for studying, and I sit down in my chair and start studying, which is my daily routine, because I believe that if I don't continue my study, then I lose my consistency. So I just sit down and start studying and try to complete my syllabus. So after that, I take my lunch in the middle, and after lunch I need a fresh mind. So for that I just go to YouTube and watch daily news, international news or national news, it doesn't matter. I just watch daily news, because if you are a student, so you must watch daily news, because you should know what's happening around the world, what's going on around you, around the world. So this is very important to watch daily news. And then I again start my daily routine, which is study, and in the afternoon I make my daily video, which you are right now watching. So I maintain my daily routine and I just try my best to make video every day in different topics. So this is also my daily routines. So after my prayer, I eat something very light, and then again my daily routine, which is start studying. And after 2 or 3 hours of studying, I completed my Asher prayer, and then I take my dinner and go to bed for a good sleep, because a good sleep is very important for a student, for a man, for a woman, it doesn't matter. A good sleep is very important for us, so that I will wake up in the morning. So that's all in my side, and this routine I follow, and I try to follow this routine. So that's all from today, and if you would like this video, please like, comment and share. And thank you. Assalamu alaikum.